Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about call ID settings. And in this video, if you want to hide your number in outgoing call and make your number private each time you want to call anyone, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see how to make your phone number private in outgoing calls. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone dialer. So I'm going to click on my dialer right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you go to career features. Then if your phone is dual SIM phone, select the particular SIM line you want to hide or to make private. I'm going to select the SIM one right here. The next thing you want to do is to go to additional settings. Then go to caller ID. From this point here, switch from show number to hide number. It's as simple as that. Each time you are making calls, outgoing calls with this particular line, it's going to show private number from the end user. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.